Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. It's playoff time. Hockey playoffs, basketball playoffs. Oh, by the way, go blue, you're NCAA champions. But besides the point, it is playoff time and it is time for your go-to snacks. I got a nice healthy one for you because summer's right around the about to say Kona. Summertime is right around the corner. And I got a nice healthy avocado hummus for you. Stay tuned. So this is one of these super quick recipes. I have 3 avocados, 3 cans of chickpeas that I've drained. Gonna have some tahini, not tahini, sorry, I've been in Texas too long. Some tahini, salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, cumin, and lemon. Got all that, you're ready to go. So as I'm thinking back on my Michigan days and just with the NCAA tournament just ending recently, Michigan won the national championship, got me thinking about my recruiting trip because we were the first team to win with all transfer students. So it's like, I mean, it's cool, but at the same time, it made me start thinking about reflecting on going there, I should say. And, you know, it's funny, the start of my trip did not start off good at all. We were driving up from Indiana, and it's about a 5-hour drive from Columbus, Indiana to Ann Arbor, Michigan. There's about 2 wrecks on the way. So I went up on my official visit like in December. Yeah, I think it was before they went to the bowl game. Yeah, because they had practice. But there was like 2 wrecks on the way up. We were supposed to get in at like 2 o'clock. I was supposed to go to practice. So we missed all that. So by the time I get there, it's the end of practice. And I remember being on the phone. So you exit and it's State Street. It's like State Street runs all through Michigan's campus. And it's when you exit, that's where the stadium is. You take it all the way, it runs you all the way to the hotel, the State Street Hotel or something like that we're staying at. And so I'm on the phone with my recruiting coordinator, Coach Moeller, and I'm telling him what's going on. And I was like, yeah, man, there's all these wrecks. I was like, we're on State Street. There's a hockey game going on. So traffic's like at a standstill. And then I'm talking to Coach Moeller and he's like, well, we just finished up our practice. Everybody's about to go up to the Hotel Campus Inn. That's the name of the hotel, Campus Inn. And we were going to go to the Campus Inn to eat. He's like, so I was like, all right, cool. So just go up there. And he's like, yeah, my dad's looking at me like, did he say stop here or go up there? And I'm trying to talk to the coach. And my dad's sitting looking at me. And I finally look up and I see we're about to just run flat smack into another car. And I'm looking at my dad. I'm yelling like, stop. He hits on the brakes. We slide. We get about an inch from that car in front of us. But lucky the car behind us, bam, smashed us right into the front of that car. So that's how I started off my recruiting trip to Michigan. Started off with a bang for sure. But it ended up being a good trip. So I'm just putting part of these chickpeas in the blender as first. I'm gonna put them all in, but I just wanna kind of break them down a little bit. Don't want to overcrowd it. But I would say the rest of the trip was good. You know, I hopped out the car. I was completely fine. It was funny, my recruiting coordinator, Coach Moeller, he actually saw the whole thing. He was standing on the steps he was standing out on the building, side of the building looking at for us because we were on the phone. So he saw us getting the wreck. I just hopped out, hopped in this car, let my dad handle it. Went to the hotel, checked in, went to dinner. What did I do that first night? Oh, Brandon Harrison was my host, BH. And honestly, I think we just sat in his room that night and I watched him play like Halo. They had practice in the morning. I can actually say it's Michigan. We take it serious. So yeah, that was my first night. I think it was because I was already committed. I think it was since I was already committed, they didn't feel like they had to do much, but I was a chill guy in college. I came from Columbus, we ain't do nothing. It was all good. All right, so now let's get to working on this hummus. So So I've just been kind of shaking up my tahini. We're gonna go in here with about half a cup. Let's slowly incorporate these avocados. So I'm just gonna do one at a time right now. That's one. And the other half. I'm gonna add the seasoning, but just at the end, I just want to kind of work all this stuff together first. I can normally make this in the blender. All right, so I've just gotten all this together for the most part. Now it's time to add our seasonings. I just want this to get a little bit smoother. I also added the other 4 halves of avocado. So there's 3 whole avocados in here. So now I'm just adding in a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and cumin. So I'm sitting here trying to think, what else happened my first night in there? Nah, like I said, we played Halo. And I got up the next day. I just think they have, oh, I had to go work out. Yes. Now I remember now. Yes, I went and worked out. Kev broke me off in the weight room. I think I may have made it 40 minutes before I threw up. Oh man. Shit, that workout was, Kev broke me off. Yes, I do remember that. And after that, I think it was practice. Then we went out that night. I think I went to a place called like Touchdowns. Boy, I didn't drink or anything. I didn't drink until I was 21, but I'm just like, man, thinking about being out wild, 17, 18 years old. College was fun. College was fun. So now I'm just, we got the juice in my lemon. So 2 things, this lemon's gonna add some flavor. And since you have that avocado in there, it's gonna keep this hummus from turning on you. Well, turning colors on you. Like when avocado oxidizes, so this lemon's gonna neutralize that. There we go. So just gonna put this together, or just let this go for another about 5 minutes or so. Then you have your nice healthy game day snack ready. This is stopped. So we're gonna give it a nice little taste. So I did have pita chips, or what I thought I had was pita chips, and then I remember yesterday was trash day. And I remember looking in there and I was like, man, I'll need these pita chips. And I just threw them in the trash, forgetting that I was making myself some hummus. So I got some crackers. I'm gonna break this. This is a little thick. I don't want that cracker to break on me. I mean, it's the perfect snack. I'll eat this all playoff day. Like, y'all know what hummus tastes like. Now you just got the flavor of avocado with that hummus. It's a nice smooth dip. That sounded really weird. It's just good. Y'all gonna make this for your next playoff.